This tutorial will guide you on how to subscribe to SLTV decoder online. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now currently there are 3 ways you can use to subscribe for SLTV. The first one is by using their mobile app, which is called the Metro Digital SLTV, or you can use on their website. If you go to sltvpro.com, I'll show you the method to subscribe on their website. Also, the last method you can use to subscribe to SLTV decoders is subscribe with an agent you bought your decoder from, or find an agent near you. To find an agent closer to you, you can visit their website. Now, to subscribe to SLTV decoder using their website, just go to sltvpro.com. I'll put the link on the description of this YouTube video. Also on this website here, make sure to select recharge your SLTV today. Or at the top here, you can see recharge your SLTV today. So click on this. Now also click to this. It will take you to the login to subscriber portal. Here you'll need to enter your decoder ID. Now your decoder ID is also your SB number. So your decoder ID is your SB number. If you don't know your decoder ID or your SB number, you'll have to contact SLTV. You can just select here, contact us, and the contact support team will help you finding your decoder ID or your SB number. Also, put here your decoder ID, put your password. Now, the default password is this one. They say enter your default password, which is SLTVmetro, exactly as it is written here. So you'll have to enter your SB number or decoder ID. Also, you'll have to enter the password, which the default password is SLTVmetro, as it has been written here. Also, log in to this subscriber portal. Then they say move to pay and pay with card or through transfer. In few seconds, your service will be restored. So that's how you can pay for the SLTV decoder online. It's very easy. Or you can just download their mobile app that is called the Metro Digital SLTV. Just you can go to the Play Store or App Store. The methods are the same. Also download the app, you'll find that there is a login portal where you can enter your decoder ID and the password, and all the informations, like the password is just SLTVmetro and the decoder ID is your SB number. The last method which you can use, you can also subscribe with an agent you bought your decoder from. You can find an agent closer to you through their website. If you go to this, which is sltvpro.com, you can just select here, find a dealer, and you can find a dealer that is near you through the map which has been shown here. You can just select the country, which is of course Nigeria. Select the state which you are located from. Maybe I can say Anambra. Then you can select here, find. So if I click find, it will show all the dealers that are related to SLTV that are found in the Anambra state, including their contact details and email and the zip code that is been shown here. So that's how you can subscribe to the SLTV decoder. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.